Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So like I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you how to add your prototype on your BEHANCE folio while you're uploading your use case study or brand, whatever. So yeah, this is one project I want to upload right now, and I just thought it wise to go through it with you. So we're going to upload this together, and I'm also going to show you how to copy your embedded code and how to embed your prototypes on Behance. So yeah, let's get into it. We're just going to be exporting these one after the other. Export them one after the other. We'll do the same thing for each and every one of you. So this is what I do basically. I always choose 4x because it's the highest resolution here. You want to make your work to be bright and readable, right? So I always choose 4x. I don't do this 512 and the rest. I don't know what they are actually. So but I just go with this 4x, and I go with PNG because of course PNG is always the brightest when it comes to exporting. Yeah, so we export these, and you just continue doing that for the rest of your project until we're done, right? Yeah, so that's it. Yes, welcome back. So we're here. So all you want to do now is remember this boards, the frame you exported. All you need to do now is we just keep on uploading them one after the other, and you just need to click here on this icon, this image icon, and we go choose our first. I download this size, so just pick one. Pick our first, allow it to upload. And so I'm just going to keep this one first before I go in with project timeline and overview. So this is how I normally post my work. I don't like giving space when I'm posting. So what I do is I go to style, and then you see this content spacing. I just turn it to 0 because I don't want any spacing, and I save it. So whatever I'm uploading is just going to be, close to each other. Yeah, so let's just continue with our upload. We do this until I'm just going to go with don't know that the order actually. So what's this one we have here? Mm, project, yeah, this is it. Project overview is the first one. So you just keep doing this until you're done with your upload. But then I'd like to point out that some people would like to embed their codes. Like, I don't know where you like to embed your code, but I definitely know it's not here because you still have a lot of introduction and explanatory work to do before you showcase or present your prototype. So we'll just keep going, and I'll show you where I like adding my prototype. Most preferably at the end of your explanations, your written words, and the case study, like as a whole, at the end of it. So yeah, let's just continue uploading until we get to the end. Let's just continue this. Okay, so we are done uploading. right? Let me add my style, close up my space because this is how I love to upload my stuff. So I would be adding my prototype at the last part. And what you want to do is go back to your project. Now you're not going to copy anything from here. Remember that we already played the prototype. So we'll come to the play. Okay guys, so we're done uploading, and the next thing we want to do now is, like just like I said, embed the codes, right? Add our codes from our prototype. So all we need to do is go back to our project, and you don't want to copy anything from here because obviously this is not what you want to share. You want to share your prototype. That is why initially I told you we should play the prototype. So we just go back to where we played our prototype, and and you click on share prototype. When you click on share prototype, right, you would see what we call get embedded codes. Click on it, and all you need to do is copy it. When you're done copying, you come back to your Behance, and I would love them to go through the prototype before this thank you page. So all I need to do is hover my mouse in between these two frames I just uploaded. Hover your mouse on it, and this toolbar or tax bar will come up, and click on these tags where you have this open tag and then a slash and then a close tag. Click on it and paste your code there. Just do Control V, right? Control V, and then click on embed. And there you go. We're just going to scroll down to where we embedded this code, and yeah, you see there. I apologize for my network. Perfect. So you have it here. This is just it right here. And just to make sure you understand everything, right? I want to show you how this thing looks from the other end. I'm just going to save this, publish it, and then I will view like an employee. You get? So yeah, let me just do this and we'll come back. Or I'll view like an employee, or I'll view like anyone that just wants to view my portfolio. So yeah, I'm just going to click on continue and upload my page. I would like to use same cover, but I'll still go back and upload it. Let's just you know do what we have to do. I'm very sorry for my. So I'm just going to do this and publish it and then come back. Let's click on add. Click on this plus sign to add it up again. You just go back there and choose it. And network is very good. Okay, so this is what you have. What you need to do is zone if okay, that's it. Zoom and as you want it to appear. Yeah, I think this is okay, and we're good to go. Yeah, so I'm just going to upload this, right, and I will come back. We will come back. Okay, so guys, this has been published, and I'm viewing like a visitor right now. So you can see, and we're just going to scroll down to where we have our prototype. Yeah, yes, this is it. So you can see that it's working, right? Go back. So if your employer or anyone that's been your portfolio comes to this particular place, you will see that your prototypes are actually functional. Yeah, so this is it. This is it, and yeah. So yeah, everything here is working perfectly. Perfectly. So another good thing about this is, let's say you make um let's say you make a change in your design and your prototype as well. It's going to automatically update itself. Do you get? So you have no fears of, okay, I have to go and put it down and upload it again. No, that's how awesome BEHANCE is. So yeah, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. This, if you have not subscribed, if you've not followed me yet, please subscribe, follow me, and just give me some encouragement. Thank you so much.